Welcome to another video of shit I didn't need to buy, but I bought anyways. It's a haul. It's a haul. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and oh my god, it feels so good to finally film again. If you haven't been here for the last few videos, they were pre-recorded because I went to Australia with my family. So fun, but I am now back. A little jet-lagged, not looking my best, but ready to do a haul because I bought so many things while I was away on my trip. So I got a few bits and pieces in Australia while I was there. I used to go crazy for all the Australian brands, and I kind of forgot about that, and when I got to Australia and saw everything, I was so excited. My 16-year-old me was screaming inside. But anyways, yeah. I didn't have a lot of time to shop for beauty in Australia because I was doing a lot of things with my family. I did have a little bit of time, and I did do a bit of shopping, mostly drugstore though. And then on my way back, I did a layover in Dallas and I spent a few days there and I did a lot of shopping as well. Bought a lot of makeup, okay? You get it. We all get it. Let's get to showing the makeup because this video is gonna be eternal. Let me start off with the Australian stuff because I'm very excited for it. The first thing I got, I am dying. I got this Juno & Co microfiber velvet sponge and I have heard so many things about this. Everyone raves about it and I believe you can buy it online, but I just, I never got it. So I went to Mecca in Australia and I got this thing. If I could pull it out. What the hell is this? Oh my god. It feels very weird. Very, very weird. It's a microfiber sponge. The instructions are here. User guide. Wow. You get a user guide and you can use it basically like a beauty blender, but it's really hard compared to a beauty blender and it's relatively smaller. It has a flat edge over here and then slant and then it looks like a regular sponge over here, but I really wanted to get my hands on it to try it out. Very excited. I hope I love it. I got this Tonologist face and body drops. These are self-tan drops and these are in medium. I know you can get this in the States as well, but I just saw it and I wanted to try it out because my face was very, very pale compared to my body and I just wanted something that would give me a little bit of an oomph, and I got this. I'm excited to have this and to just mix it whenever I feel like my face is dead and I need a little bit of color. I got this Models Prefer Green Routine with Hemp Seed Oil BB Cream, and what really intrigued me about this, first, I've heard about this brand a lot, and then the second thing that I really loved is that it kind of looks like, kind of looks like the Glossier skin tint packaging, which I'm really excited about. There were only 2 shades and the shades were very, not suited for pretty much anyone unless you're super pale. I don't know if I'm gonna be a little too dark for this. I got mine in 2 and then, oh my god, it's exploding everywhere. It just exploded everywhere. It looks really pale compared to my hand and my face, and oh god. Also very, very pink. So I don't know how this is gonna work out, if it's gonna, be for me, or if I can give it to someone who will suit this better, but I really wanted to try it out, and I guess we'll see how it works. I've never tried anything from this brand. This is kind of like their clean line. They also have a lot of other things, but I didn't really feel like I wasn't drawn to any of them. I was mostly drawn to this thing. Okay, next thing I got is the Australis Metallics eyeshadow in Gold Gaga. When I tell you that I've wanted to try this brand for so long, I used to watch Shan XO and she loved these. These are kind of like the Stila Magnificent Metals, but not as chunky. I've already dug into it. I'm wearing it on my eyelids right now. It was drugstore. It was really cheap and the color is beautiful. I really like it. It's obviously kind of wettish because that's basically what the formula is all about, but it is super nice and you can apply it very lightly like I did on my eyes, or you can go ahead and like pile it on for a super foiled look, and I think it's just beautiful. I love the color. I think it's a very universal color that anyone can wear. Love the formula and I am so stoked to have one of these in my collection finally. Another glittery thing that I got is a Revolution Eye Glisten, and they had a huge section of these at Priceline. I know you can get Makeup Revolution in the States as well, but I just wanted to get it at Priceline because I saw this and it reminded me a lot of the new Huda Beauty things that are kind of like this, and I also have some in my collection from Touch and Soul, which are like a foil and then a glitter, so I just wanted to get it. I got mine in there's no shade. Oh, this is in Dreamland, and it's kind of bronzy and gold, and I was very intrigued. I thought it would be perfect for my kit as a topper. This shade, the foil, is super beautiful. It's very reflective. And then the glitter shade is basically just glitter. It's also really pretty as a topper. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. It kind of reminds me of the NYX glitter liners. I just thought I'd give it a try. Again, super affordable and so cute. Last thing I got is a bronzer. God knows I don't need any more bronzers, but I wanted another bronzer in my life. So I got this Natio. Never heard of this brand before. This is a Desert Sand Semi-Matte Bronzer in the shade. I have no idea. It looks like this. It's super cute. It is a very, very light, like really, really light, and it isn't powdery at all. It kind of reminds me of the Butter Bronzer in consistency whenever I swatch it. It is so light. But I just thought it would be nice because it's semi-matte. It has sort of a sheen to it. I've already tried this on my face, and it just gives you a really subtle bronze, and it makes you look really healthy and glowy because it does have a little bit of glow to it. It didn't really have the greatest shade range, but I do believe there was, I don't know if there was one that was lighter and a few that were darker than this one. Yeah, I just picked this one because I thought it would be the one that suits me the best. Now I'm gonna move on to drugstore. Things I got from the drugstore in America. I got a few skincare bits from Versed. I got the Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Solution 4 Acid Complex plus Bearberry Extract. These are sort of new, I think. I'm pretty sure they're newish. And I really like it. I love the packaging. I love the color. And lately my skin has been really textured, not looking its best. I don't know what's going on. Trying to sort out the problem, and I think this is really going to help because this is meant to kind of exfoliate your skin gently and help you with your problem areas. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Glossier one. What's the name of that one? I'm blanking. It kind of reminds me of that. It just doesn't feel as harsh on the skin, which I am all about. And it's so cute, and it was really, really affordable. And then the other thing I got from Versed is the Look Alive Hydrating Plumping Mask. Coming off a 14-hour plane, I was like, my skin needs all the hydration it can get. It was struggling, like hella struggling, so I got this one because, you know, it helps with your dryness. It plumps your skin up, it hydrates it. You get approximately 12 applications, which is quite a lot, and I really like the packaging of it. I don't know, I've never seen these before, but I don't know if they're new. First thing I got from Maybelline is the City Bronzer in 100. Heard really great things about this. Mariah Leonard raves, so if she raves, I buy. And yeah, it looks like this. I think this is the lightest shade. They had 2 other shades, but the other one was a little bit too warm for me. Again, this is super light. Like, you're barely gonna be able to tell it's in my hand. It's more of a contour shade. It's like very cool tone. And my hand is a lot darker than my skin is, so that's why you don't see it, but you'll probably be able to see it on the skin. I'm really excited about it. I've heard really great things, and I just cannot wait to put it on my face. The next thing I got from Maybelline is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I didn't get the black one. I got the brownish black one, which is, why would I ever do that to myself? I didn't even check. But I've heard really great things about this. They talk a lot about it on Fat Mascara, which is my favorite beauty podcast ever. And yeah, this is, oh, and it's fucking waterproof. What did I even do? I just grabbed it without even looking at the packaging. What the hell? Anyways, this is supposed to give you length, volume, and lift. Supposed to look like you got a lash lift, which I am all about, and I cannot wait to try it out. I hope it's great. I hope it lifts my lashes and gives me everything I've ever wanted. Next, I got the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Dewy Blush Elixir with Superfruits in the shade Gorgeous Peach. I've heard a lot of great things about this. Again, Mariah Leonard raves, so I bought. This is basically just a cream blush. I'm all about cream blushes, always. This is like a really, really nice packaging. The color is super cute. I've already tried it out, but you have to be careful because a lot of it comes out. So yeah, I just grabbed a little bit of this, and when you spread it out, it is definitely dewy, and it isn't going to be super pigmented. So you get like a wash of color, which is so nice, and it definitely looks dewy. It looks super healthy. Works over foundation, and you can build it up a little. It definitely will not dry down. It's not a blush that'll dry down. It's not like the cloud paints, but I think it's just really nice. And if you're into the super natural look, I think you're gonna love this one. The Physicians Formula is a little bit more expensive. You get quite a bit of product in here, and it's really, really nice quality, so I think it's worth it. Another thing I got from the drugstore is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I never got the original one because it was super, super dry, so when they came out with this one, I was very excited. I got the shade Light Beige, and oh boy, It's kind of a mistake. It looks, right now it doesn't look like it would be too dark for me, but it's too dark for me. It looks like this. The wand is huge, and then you apply it. Oh, this is definitely too dark for me. The formula feels really nice. It feels quite hydrating, definitely. And I'm pretty sure this is meant to be like a fuller coverage one, as well as the original camo concealer, but I'm not sure. I haven't really heard much about it, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it out anyways because I bought it and I want to see if it works or not, even if this isn't my shade. Some other affordable things that I got from Ulta. Firstly, I got the ColourPop BFF liquid liner in the shade The Hills. It's so many cute colors, but this one really intrigued me. It's a green. I'm currently obsessed with the color green. I don't know why. I love ColourPop's original, like the gel cream liners. They're amazing. They work beautifully. They glide on perfectly. They last on for a long time. But I hadn't tried their liquid liners yet, and they came out with a few different shades, and I was very intrigued by this one because I'm obsessed with the green lately. And when I swatched it at Ulta, I died. Like, the color is beautiful. It's kind of a moss green, extremely pigmented from the get-go, and it didn't bleed on my hand, which is such a good sign. I think it dries matte, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's a little bit of a satin finish. I think this is gonna be great. I am very excited to put it on my eyes, especially since spring is coming. I'm gonna incorporate a little bit more color into my makeup routine. The only two other drugstore things that I got from Ulta are from Morphe, and the first thing I got is this blending brush because one can never have too many blending brushes. This is the M433. Looks like this. It is kind of flat but fluffy. I mean, I think it's gonna work out really well for me for my crease and stuff. I don't really have a brush that's this flat and fluffy at the same time, so just a staple. Morphe, I really like Morphe brushes and they're very affordable, so I always stock up on them when I have a chance. And then the other thing I'm really excited about is the Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. I love the one that they came out with first that's in the black packaging, but that's luminous, which isn't the best for me because I do have combo skin and it doesn't really set. And this is matte. It definitely sets the skin. I haven't really sprayed it yet, but yeah, it's just, the spray is the same as the other one, and it smells so good. This is just meant to set your makeup, keep your oils at bay. I can feel it in my hand, like the mattifying effect, like a little bit of tightening. If you don't have combo to oily skin, you definitely won't like this. But if you do, and you're looking for something that's more affordable, then definitely look into this one. I'm really excited that they finally came out with a matte version. I got a lot of high-end skincare, so I've always wanted to try Pharmacy, but I mean, it's kind of expensive and I cannot justify the price. So I saw a kit that had these four. It came in a little box. It was the Mighty something box, and it was like $45, and it came with 4 like travel size products, so I'm really excited about that because I've always wanted to try the brand. The first thing is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I've heard so many great things about this. It smells, don't know if it smells like anything, but yeah, it looks like this. A lot of people have tried it, a lot of people rave about it, and I'm really excited to try it out. Then it comes with a Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer, which comes in this super cute packaging. I haven't really heard a lot of people talk about the moisturizer though, but it looks pretty and I'm guessing it's gonna be a really cool moisturizer. Then I got the Sleep Tight Firming Night Balm, which I've heard about, and again comes in the super cute packaging. It's a balm. I thought it would be jellyish for a second, but no. Very weird, but I'm intrigued. And then last but not least, the thing I was most excited about is the Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. I've heard so many great things about this. Haven't bitten the bullet and bought the full size, so I'm so glad it came in this kit. It doesn't really smell like anything. I thought it would be more honey, but apparently it's not. So yeah, I'm really excited to try all of these products out. And the other thing I got at Credo, they had some really good deals. They had like a table that had things on it that were 30% off, and what intrigued me the most is they had a herbivore set with all of these. It used to be $58. I got it for $40, and I got all of these herbivore products for $40. I've always wanted to try herbivore, and I was really excited to get all of these because they're small, but they will definitely last me for a long time because I don't really, like, I have a lot of oils and serums. The first product that came in the set is the Herbivore Prism Exfoliating Glow Serum. I've heard really great things about this. It is super cute. It's clear. Oh shit. I really love the packaging. Herbivore's branding just gets to me, and yeah, this is exfoliating and glowy. So that's what it'll do to your skin. The other like bigger size thing here is the Bakuchiol. This is a smoothing serum. It's a retinol alternative. I don't really use retinols at all. I know I'm too young to use retinols, but I'm kind of scared of using them. So yeah, this is a retinol alternative. It is purple and it's again super cute. Cannot wait to try it. And then the 3 smaller ones are the Lapis Facial Oil, which I don't know what it does. The Emerald Facial Oil, which I also hear a lot about. Again, I don't know what it does because it doesn't say it. And then the last one is the Phoenix Facial Oil, which I have tried in a sample before, and it's really nice on the skin. It's very hydrating, and it smells really good as well. Those were all of the little minis that came in that set. And now we can move on to a few high-end makeup bits. First one, I had to, okay? I could not contain myself. I had to get the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Glass Slipper, which is the clear gloss. They came out with a few different colors. This is a clear gloss. I cannot justify it. I have so many clear glosses that I love, but I love the gloss bombs, and this isn't clear. Are you kidding me? I'm going to be applying this every single day of my life. It is so beautiful. It was like the first thing that I saw, the first thing that I grabbed. I was like, yes, this is coming with me. Love the formula, love the smell. Love the fact that it's clear. Just everything about this is a yes for me. Next, I have the Line Crime plushies in Cherry Soda. And I saw this one and I could not resist because it is red and it is so pretty. And it is quite berry, which I don't own a lot of berry reds. I own more orangey ones. So it is so pretty. This formula is amazing. I love it a lot. I know there are people who have beef with Line Crime. I don't. I've been really into bolder lips at the moment, she says while she's wearing a nude lip. Last thing I got is another thing that was definitely on my bucket list. It's the Bite Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. I could not get this because everyone's raving about it. Everyone loves it. I got mine in the shade M55. I was swatching all of the light shades and none of them really suited me, so I got this one. I'm very excited about this. I've heard so many great things about it. I've just heard everyone rave about it and I cannot wait to put it on my face. It wasn't as expensive as I thought it would be. There are foundations that are like $40, $50. I think this was less than 40. This was like 39 or something. And now, my friends, is all the beauty stuff that I bought while on my travels. I really wish I could have gotten more Australian brands and tried more, but alas, I didn't really have the time to do so. I'm really happy with everything I got. If you guys want me to do like a first impressions type of thing, let me know in the comments because I would love to try everything for you on camera. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you wish to subscribe, definitely do so. Button is right there. All you have to do is click it and then you get videos from me every single week. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and watching it through to the end. I hope it was entertaining to see everything that I bought, and I love you, and I will definitely see you in the next video, okay? Bye everybody. Mwah.